Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the home screen and confirming the app supports picture widgets. Long press an empty area, tap widgets when it appears. Once done, scroll to the app that provides the picture widget because you need the correct provider. Select the widget size that fits your layout, 1x1 for icons or 4x2 for bigger photos, and drag it onto the grid. Make sure to place it where it won't be covered by other icons, and pause before releasing to adjust placement precisely. Once the widget sits on the home screen, you configure the image source and display settings. Tap the widget to open its configuration screen, then select an album, folder, or single image. This determines what will display. Adjust cropping, scaling, and refresh interval so images update as you expect. Preview changes. If cropping cuts out key parts, switch to fit or center crop. When satisfied, long press the widget and drag the resize handles to refine its size, making sure it aligns with your grid, and you finish by confirming permissions and testing persistence. Make sure the app has storage or photos access and background refresh enabled, otherwise images may not load. Test rotating the device and rebooting to verify the widget remains and updates. If the widget is blank or stale, clear the app cache, reopen the configuration, and reselect the album or image, then re-add the widget if needed. Finally, keep your app updated to avoid bugs, and contact the developer only after basic troubleshooting fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.